We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Bluetooth Beanie Hat Headphones by FULLLIGHT TECH. This product has attracted significant attention for combining warmth and wireless audio in a single wearable item. With over 11,000 ratings and an average score of 4.6 out of 5, it is clear that many users find value in this beanie with built-in Bluetooth headphones. Here is what users say about it, along with an expert analysis of its features, performance, usability, pros, and cons. The Bluetooth Beanie Hat is designed to provide a comfortable and warm head covering while delivering wireless audio through integrated speakers. The hat is lightweight, weighing just over 3 ounces, and fits most average male head sizes comfortably. The fabric is soft and knitted, offering a cozy feel that users frequently praise. Many reviewers mention that the beanie is warm enough for cold weather while also being stylish enough to wear casually. One of the most appreciated features is the ease of use. The Bluetooth module is embedded discreetly in the hat, with controls located on the side for volume adjustment, play pause, and call handling. Users report that pairing the beanie with smartphones, tablets, and other Bluetooth-enabled devices is straightforward and fast. The connection is generally stable, with automatic reconnection working well once the initial pairing is done. This makes it convenient for daily use without the hassle of complicated setups. Sound quality is another area where the Bluetooth Beanie Hat performs admirably. While it cannot compete with high-end headphones, the audio clarity and volume are sufficient for casual listening. The speakers deliver clear sound that users find enjoyable for music, podcasts, and phone calls. Some users note that the sound can be heard by people nearby at high volumes, which is a typical trait of on-ear speakers embedded in fabric. However, at moderate levels, the audio remains private enough for personal use. The microphone built into the beanie allows for hands-free phone calls. Many users appreciate this feature, mentioning that they can answer calls with a button press and speak clearly without removing the hat. This functionality is especially useful for outdoor activities or cold environments where removing gloves or hats is inconvenient. Some users with hearing aids have found this product particularly helpful as it allows them to keep their hearing aids in while still enjoying wireless audio. Battery life is reported to be around 8 hours on a full charge, which aligns with the manufacturer's claims. The beanie comes with a lithium polymer battery and a charging cable, making it easy to recharge. Users generally find the battery life sufficient for daily use, though a few mention that performance can degrade over time or after extended use. Comfort is a recurring theme in positive reviews. The beanie fits snugly without being too tight, and the speakers are thin enough not to cause discomfort during extended wear. The fabric is soft both inside and out, which adds to the overall pleasant wearing experience. Some users suggest wearing the hat slightly slouched back to minimize the visibility of the speaker areas, enhancing the aesthetic appeal. On the downside, a minority of users report durability issues. Some have experienced the speakers malfunctioning or the Bluetooth connection failing after a few weeks or months of use. While these cases are not the majority, they highlight that the product may not be as robust for heavy or rough use. Additionally, a few users mentioned that the controls could benefit from better tactile differentiation to avoid confusion when adjusting volume or skipping tracks without looking. Another consideration is the fit for larger heads. While most users find the beanie fits well, some with bigger head sizes report a snug fit that could cause mild discomfort over long periods. This is something potential buyers should keep in mind, especially if they prefer a looser fit. Overall, the Bluetooth Beanie Hat headphones from FULLLIGHT TECH offer a unique blend of warmth, convenience, and wireless audio functionality. It is an excellent choice for those who dislike traditional earbuds or bulky headphones but want to enjoy music or calls on the go, especially in colder climates. The ease of use, decent sound quality, and comfort make it a popular gift item and a practical accessory for daily wear. If you own this Bluetooth Beanie Hat, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. Your feedback is valuable in providing a fuller picture of the product's performance over time and in different use cases. Remember, the link to the product is in the description. Using it supports the channel and helps us continue to bring you detailed reviews like this one.